Welcome to QuoteChef, where request web forms are made fun and simple. QuoteChef is a new web app tool that makes quoting easier and allows different service providers to create and share user-friendly quote request forms. Whether you are selling a custom product or type of service or making a cost game for social media, you can have access to easy and rapid data in 3 simple steps. Here's our tutorial, which will focus on how to make a new request form and how to go through the process to send it to your customers. So first, let's log in to QuoteChef website at https://app.quotechef.com/account/login. When you log in, you can see the plus New Forms button at the top right-hand corner of the screen. Click it to pop up the new quote request form. Enter your project name and currency symbol or label of your preference and click Create to make a new form. On the next screen, you will make pages for your quote request form and begin with the Welcome page. Your form will have 3 types of pages: a welcome page, seen far left, thank you exit page, seen far right, and question pages, which will appear between your welcome and thank you page once added. Keep in mind, any pages can be edited, but only question pages can be added or deleted. Moving forward, the first page of your web request form will be the welcome page. Here is where you can write a welcome message, discuss what this cost estimation form is all about, and make a great first impression. You will have a placeholder to insert your preferred image. Select one from the gallery and press Add button. Type your quote form title. Next, describe your quote form. This text area is optional, but you can also add your very own text like your business name and press Add Question button. Now you will be presented with a question page. On this page, you can ask your visitors a brilliant question and assign a value or cost to each answer. When it comes to selling, we are often asked what questions are the right questions to ask your visitors. Our answer: it's a good idea to focus on your customers' needs or wants. If you need ideas, keep referring to this open-ended question like, what are you looking for in my product or service? And start typing a new question. You can further elaborate by adding a small description to explain your question better, usually on why it's important to ask this question. Furthermore, you can add one or more options and choose from the available icons. If you can't find an icon, click the Upload an Image button. You can choose a file from your computer, preferred cloud storage, a URL, or a web search. For convenience, we'll do a simple web search. Crop the image to our liking and add it to the option. Next, enter their names and cost. If needed, add a red mark to discourage an option. Click on Save and the app will show that your changes have been saved successfully. Now if you need to see a preview, click on the Preview Form option and click Form button to get further inside. Once done, you'll need to visit the Thank You page. On this page, you can write a custom thank you message and make it easy for your web visitors to share their contact details with you. It's a good idea to encourage them to send their responses and contact information to you by clicking your Submit button. From the visitor view, this button will launch a pop-up dialog asking for their personal data and any additional message. To complete this form building process, you need to fill out the Thank You page or Exit page and enter a title text that will be shown right above the estimated cost. For this example, you can type in a text like, your project's total estimated cost, or your quote is ready. Once done, type your thank you message and click the Done button. Now you're ready to collect leads and personalized estimates. Begin by clicking the Collect Response link, and you will be presented with the following options like sharing URL, share via email, embed your quote, and QR code. If you want to share your URL, click the Sharing URL box, and you can copy the URL link to share with your email contacts, chats, or social networking sites. Share via email option will let you share the form through email. Type in your subject and message and enter your recipient's email ID and press Send Mail. We are working on the two other options. You will get notified as soon as these options are updated to be ready. Once you are done with all the options, responses should come from your visitors. In other words, when you send a form, you can gather the responses inside the form. Try sharing your new interactive QuoteChef web request form to more people, or use the form link below to enter your own answers. Once visitors respond to your form and get their quotation, he or she can open to see the details and reply to it. A further thank you form can be used to respond to the quote. After receiving a response, click on My Forms from the top menu of your page and click the thumbnail preview with an updated response count. Click this thumbnail to view and manage all form responses. Each response will show a name, email, and total amount. By clicking on the drop-down, you can furthermore see your visitor's phone number, company, message, and cost estimates for each option requested. At QuoteChef, we understand that your time is limited and precious, and that's why we have developed this groundbreaking technique that will allow you to capture, collect, and organize up to 300% more leads and estimates. But to us, the real questions remain. Can we make QuoteChef better? We'd love your feedback, so be sure to tell us about your experience or suggest how we can make it even better for you. Come visit QuoteChef.com today and get started for free.